Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Drip on Webull. First, understand that Drip, or Dividend Reinvestment Plan, allows you to automatically use your cash dividends to purchase additional shares of the same stock. This can significantly boost your long-term returns through compounding. We'll walk through the simple steps to activate this feature within your Webull account, ensuring your investments work harder for you without constant manual intervention. To activate Drip, open your Webull app and head to the Account tab. From there, look for More and then Settings. You'll find the Dividend Reinvestment Plan option listed. Simply tap to enable it. Once turned on, Webull will automatically reinvest dividends from all eligible stocks you hold, ensuring you don't miss out on compounding growth. It's a quick process that sets your investments on autopilot. The primary benefit of Drip is the power of compounding. By reinvesting dividends, you buy more shares, which then earn more dividends, creating a snowball effect on your wealth. This hands-off approach means you don't need to manually purchase shares each time a dividend is paid. Plus, Drip often allows you to buy fractional shares, ensuring every dollar of your dividend is put to work immediately. While Drip is powerful, remember it only applies to eligible stocks and ETFs. Not every security in your portfolio will qualify for automatic reinvestment. Also, it's crucial to understand that dividends, even when reinvested, are still considered taxable income. Always consult a tax professional for personalized advice. For those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.